MoneyMinded. Economy, industry, business, finance and agriculture news updates. RBI Monetary Policy Committee. Latest news updates. Repo rate hike. Reserve Bank of India Monetary Policy Committee has hiked the repo rate by 50 basis points to 4.90%. Unanimous policy stance. The MPC decided to remain focused on the withdrawal of accommodation to ensure that inflation remains within the target going forward while supporting growth. Retains GDP forecast. RBI retained the FY23 GDP growth forecast at 7.2%. In fourth quarter of 2021 to 2022, real GDP growth decelerated to 4.1% from 5.4% in the third, dragged down mainly by weakness in private consumption due to COVID wave. E-payments. The limit on recurring e-payments was raised to 15,000 rupees from 5,000 rupees to facilitate transactions such as subscriptions further. Inflation woes. Inflation is bigger than estimated in April and May. Persistent high inflation is the biggest worry, and the MPC has the mandate to contain inflation within the 2 to 6% band. A breach will require to explain to Parliament. Linking of RuPay credit cards to UPI. UPI, the most inclusive mode of payment in India, with over 26 crore unique users and 5 crore merchants. Now, the RBI will now allow it to be linked with credit cards, start with RuPay, later Visa and MasterCard. Cash reserve ratio. The amount of money banks park in the standing deposit facility has fallen since 4th May. This could be seen as a natural reduction in liquidity without the RBI having to force it through tougher measures like a hike in the CRR. Urban and rural cooperative banks. RBI doubled the limit for housing loans for urban cooperative banks. It allowed rural cooperative banks to lend to the residential housing sector and urban cooperative banks to offer doorstep banking services. Marginal standing facility and standing deposit facility. RBI increased the MSF rate to 5.15% from 4.65%. The SDF rate stands adjusted to 4.65%. MSF banks to borrow from RBI. SDF RBI gives banks to park excess cash. Foreign exchange. India's foreign exchange reserves at $601.4 billion as of 27 May 2022. The governor said India's exports had performed exceptionally well despite weakening recovery across major trading partners.
Thank you. Subscribe to MoneyMinded channel for more economy, industry, business, finance and agriculture news updates.